Imagine walking into your living room, sitting down, and with a single spoken word, your entire environment transforms. The lights dim to a cinematic amber, your shades draw closed, and a screen comes to life with a clarity that feels less like a display and more like a window into another world. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie set in 2050. This is the reality of the living room in 2026, and at the center of this revolution is a small, silent black box that most people still think is just a streaming player. The Apple TV 4K has officially moved past its identity crisis. For years, critics called it overpriced. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. They said a Roku or a Fire Stick could do the same thing for a fraction of the cost. But as we sit here in 2026, the tables have turned. The cheap sticks have become cluttered with ads, laggy interfaces, and privacy-invading tracking. Meanwhile, Apple has been playing the long game. They weren't just building a movie player, they were building the brain of the modern home. The Apple TV 4K 2026 model, powered by the A18 Bionic chip, the same silicon powerhouse found in the latest iPhones, has effectively ended the streaming wars and started a new one, the war for the living room itself. If you're still using the built-in smart features of your Samsung or LG TV, you are essentially driving a Ferrari with a lawnmower engine. Those built-in apps are designed to sell your data, not to give you a premium experience. They stutter, they crash, and they lose support after 2 years. The Apple TV 4K is the antidote. It is the only device that treats your television with the respect it deserves. Let's talk about the hardware because what Apple has done under the hood is nothing short of overkill. Why would a device that just plays Netflix need an A18 chip? Because the 2026 Apple TV isn't just playing video, it's reconstructing it. Through a process called AI computational upscaling, the Apple TV 4K now takes older 1080p content or even standard 4K streams and uses local neural engines to fill in the gaps, sharpen the edges, and normalize the color grading in real time. The result is a picture that looks better than the source material. It makes your 2022 OLED look like a 2026 flagship. And then there's the gaming. This is the part that should make Sony and Microsoft very nervous. For years, Apple Arcade was seen as a collection of mobile games. But with the raw graphical power of the A18 and the introduction of Game Mode in tvOS, the Apple TV 4K has quietly become a legitimate AAA gaming console. We are seeing titles that used to require a dedicated noisy console now running silently on this tiny box. With support for PlayStation DualSense and Xbox controllers, the barrier to entry has vanished. Your Apple TV is now your gaming console, and most people didn't even see it coming. But the real killer feature of 2026 isn't the specs, it's the intelligence. Apple Intelligence has finally arrived on the big screen, and it changes everything about how we interact with media. We've all been there, spending 20 minutes scrolling through Netflix, Disney+, and Hulu, unable to find anything to watch. That era is over. The new Siri isn't just a voice command, it's a film buff that lives in your house. You can now say, "Siri, find me that thriller where the guy is stuck in the desert," but only if it has a high rating on Rotten Tomatoes and is included in my subscriptions. And it doesn't just show you a list, it understands the context. It knows what